Alright, well, I got the bolt carrier group out. There's like a black thing in there. If you shake it just right, the bolt will come out. I had to use a screwdriver. Here, Bray. Now, the other excellent step is now we got that shit out. We can take the barrel off. So you gotta push this down. You pull trigger to get it all the way down. And you take your hammer, right? There it goes. That's how you properly disassemble a Mark III. For more tips, check out my YouTube channel and I'll show you how to reassemble one.